welcome back. This next episode here on SmackDown is going to be a first timer for us all. As you can see, we are at a playground. This will be the first ever LBYW playground prison match. Here are the rules. So everything inside the playground is legal. Weapons, anything in the swings, the slides, anything that you see here, you can use to dismantle your opponent at any way or shape or form that you choose to do. Now, this boundary here, you are not allowed to leave the boundary of the playground. If you do, you will be disqualified and you will lose the match. The only way to win the match is by pinfall or submission. So without further ado, let's get to the match. Introducing first our referee for the match. We have Aiden. All right, introducing our competitors now. First, from hell itself, we have White Viper. He looks ready for the first ever playground prison match. Let's see what he's got. Snarl from White Viper. Alrighty. Introducing his opponent. From your local asylum, we... Oh, shit.
Looks like White Viper just got dropped immediately. Putting him in a... Oh! Submission. Tap White Viper.
Oh, no.
Tap.
Oh! Oh, right into the ribs.
Oh! Oh! Put it up against the wall.
Oh.
Like he's getting ready for a...
Oh my gosh.
Is it over? I think it's all over. Wait, what is this? Oh! He brought out a weapon! This is a shovel! Oh my god! Come on! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. One, two, and he broke out.
Where is it?
Kicked out. The White Viper's on the run again. Looks like he's trapped now.
Ooh. That was a monstrous DDT.
One, two. Oh, kicked out again.
Wow, that's insane. Oh!
No. Oh my god. Oh, he's using the weapon against him. Down the slide.
Oh, he's burying him alive.
He's gonna try to bury him alive.
How do you like being in the dirt when you belong?
Oh my god. God.
Oh.
Barely.
Oh.
He's tired of using weapons.
Oh.
Right against the side. You guys both suck.
You are a fraud. You are never United States champion.
Shut up.
You hear this guy? You hear him?
You guys suck.
Okay. Wanna see how
Oh, oh my God.
Oh.
Instantly.
Sister Abigail. Oh, White Viper's getting up for his choke slam. Oh!
how much do we suck now?
And Nate Dog is
A little bit of teamwork. A little bit of teamwork. Whew.
Oh,
And that's what you get for talking shit, I guess.
oh, he's coming right back for more.
Oh no. Oh.
And Nate Dog was put right back into his place. But these two are right back at it.
Oh.
He's getting constantly jabbed by a shovel. He's running again.
Oh. I think you might have got him with the chains a little bit there. Ooh, heel kick. Oh, he missed.
Constant heel kick. Oh!
Oh, oh, oh!
Being tripped. Oh, and he's down. Oh. Oh, he's gonna put it in ankle. Is White Viper gonna tap? Just tap, White Viper. Just tap. Oh, he's getting a hold of the swing.
Get up. Get up.
Right. All fair games. Oh.
Oh my God. Fierce kicks. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
That thought creep just get dropped again. He's picking him back up.
Oh. Oh my God.
Is this it?
He's got to have a concussion after that.
There's no chance it's not over.
Oh, is that going to be it?
1, 2. Oh.
Oh.
Kicked out again.
I'll kick out.
Why don't you just stay down?
They're both worn out of their minds. Oh, and he found some bottle that he's going to use to his advantage. Oh! There was a rule stated that anything in the playground was fair game.
Oh, they almost went out. Oh, he's taunting him a little.
Taunting him up.
Oh no. Don't tell me. Don't. Oh my God. No way. Oh, and he missed. Oh my God, and he moved out of the way. I can't believe he fell for that.
Just constant heel kicks again.
Oh, God damn. Got him on the ass meat right there.
He's on the ground right now.
Ooh, and he's going through the
Where's
portal.
he going? Looks like he's in his underground cave type. Oh, head
Oh.
right through it.
Oh.
Decapitation.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. No way he's not out from that. That had to be a concussion. 1, 2, 3. And
Oh.
it's over.
Wow.
Psychotic freak.
Wow. He is done.
Ladies and gentlemen of HFW, fans of HFW, I should say, y'all are probably wondering why I'm on here today. Well, for one, I would like to apologize for no shows being out. We've just been super busy. Reason number two why I'm on here is I'm calling out another backyard wrestler, another BYW superstar, somebody that's actually on the BYWN channel. Excuse me. And somebody who is one of my CPA brothers. Y'all are probably wondering who this is, right? Anthony Aries, the Curse, former FBW Undisputed Champion, superstar over in FBW. I'm calling you out for a match. I want you in a match. It doesn't matter if I have to come to you or you have to come to me. I want a match against you. And guess what? No. You're not facing Gunshot. Oh, no, you're not. You're going to face Chance Steele. I want you to face Chase Steele because I want to bring Chase Steele more into the spotlight. So that's right, Aries. I'm calling you out for a match. You better accept it.
Introducing next, he is the FBW United States Heavyweight Champion and the Co-Valor Champion, the Dark Wolf, Logan Price. There you go. You see it on the back of his shirt, ladies and gentlemen. All the accomplishments, all the accolades from this young man who has been groomed by his mentor, E.T. Eric Tyler Mullins. There's the signature title swing, as always, to start it off here from the Dark Wolf, Logan Price. Can this man get it into the finals once again for the second straight year? We'll have to find out here in just a few short moments. Gentlemen, are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Ring the bell. Ding, ding, ding. Here we go. Logan Price and the Lumberjack going at it here in this first of two semifinal matchups in the Finish Line 2021 tournament. Collar and elbow to start. Now an arm wrencher in from Lumberjack to Logan. Now a side headlock in from Logan to Lumberjack. Lumberjack trying to get out of it. He does. Now he's got almost waist control there. No. Logan Price gets out of it. Now he's got waist control in on Lumberjack, and now he gets out of it. Oh, arm wrencher there. No, another big kick there from Lumberjack. Another big knee there. Third big knee strike there from Lumberjack to the Dark Wolf, Logan Price. Logan Price has already defeated the Undead One in the first round of this tournament to retain his U.S. title. Big forearm shot to the face there from the Dark Wolf, Logan Price. Big kick to the gut. Big clubbing blow to the back there from the Dark Wolf, Logan Price to Lumberjack. Early on in this matchup here, ladies and gentlemen, one of these two men going to the finals of the 2021 Finish Line tournament. Oh, big super kick there from the Dark Wolf, Logan Price to Lumberjack. Thought he might go for a cover there. Oh my goodness, acting like he's going to break him fingers. Ah, goodness. A la bruiserweight style. And no, I'm not talking about the bruiser Bubba Ty. I'm talking about the bruiser, Mr. Pete Dunne. And he throws him over monkey flip style there from Lumberjack to the Dark Wolf. Oh my goodness, and now he's got a almost like a surfboard variation move in.
You give up, Logan.
No.
With his arms tied behind his back, and he gets out of it. Dark Wolf, Logan Price gets out of it. Big super kick to the face once again. There from Lumberjack to the Dark Wolf. Big elbow drop there. He going for a cover? No. Logan Price reverses it. He's got a yes lock. He's got a yes lock in. Yes lock. A lot of people call it the label lock. I call it the yes lock. Oh God, now he's got his arms grapevine now. Arms grapevine now with the crossface still in there. Now Lumberjack reversing it here. Reversing the pressure. Nice kick to the face there to get out of that maneuver. All right, matchup so far here between these two, ladies and gentlemen. Semifinal number 1 of the 2021 Finish Line Tournament. I want to thank everybody from WEF for being here today. Really appreciate all the participation here. And we will do our best to make sure that we'll do everything in our matter that y'all get publicized, not only from our websites, but our YouTube as well. Now, a big running knee lift there. I call it $1 million knee lift. That's what JR likes to call it, so I'll go with JR. Now, oh, DDT there. Grounding DDT there from Lumberjack to the Dark Wolf. And now, Lumberjack setting him up. Oh, leg drop right across, covering with the leg. Man, that was bold strategy there. Got a 2.5 count out of it. Oh my goodness, what a kick. My God. And now, Dark Wolf Logan Price setting him up. Pedigree. Pedigree. Is that going to do it for Lumberjack? No, he kicks out at 1. He kicks out at 1. Look at the face of Logan Price. He has put away so many people, including yours truly, with that maneuver in the past. But he only gets a 1 count on Lumberjack. My goodness, it's going to take more than that, he said. Logan's going to have to go to a dark place here to apparently stave off this young man. Lumberjack setting up another DDT, grounding style. Cover. No, he kicks out at 1. Oh my goodness, what a big kick to the face there from the Dark Wolf Logan Price to Lumberjack. Now he's got a figure 4 in. Figure 4 in. He's going to try to get, looks like he might try to get to his shoe. No, he reverses the pressure instead.
What price do you give now?
He says no, he does not want to give. And Price does not want to give up. Now they reverses the pressure back.
No, he's not through yet. Says no.
Now he throws the shoe at him. That took off there at the beginning of the maneuver. Now he's got it back on. Dark Wolf Logan Price down. Lumberjack is up. Oh my goodness. Another big kick to the back there. Another one right straight to the back there. The other one was to the back of the neck. Now Lumberjack taking control of this matchup. Baseball slide drop kick there. And now Lumberjack trying to stay in control here. What's he going to go for next? Oh, a big $1 million knee lift right to the face. Like Logan Price may be out here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, now he's going to set up for, yes, he hit it. He hit a splash. Cover.
1, 2.
No, Dark Wolf Logan Price kicks at it too. Right in the nick of time, ladies and gentlemen. Dark Wolf Logan Price getting up to his feet now. Lumberjack back up to his feet. Oh my goodness. Those vicious chops. God almighty. That's one thing I will say. I'll have to feel those later today, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm not looking forward to it. I'm not looking forward to it. Just going to be honest with you. Eric Tyler Mullins talking to you here, not ET. Eric Tyler Mullins. The man Eric Tyler Mullins is not looking forward to that. But anyway, these two continue on here in this semifinal matchup. Semifinal number 1. This Finish Line 2021 tournament. Dark Wolf Logan Price. Oh, he's got a roll up in. Yes, roll up cover.
2.
Oh my goodness. What's like a schoolboy type of roll up there. Nice maneuver from Lumberjack. Lumberjack, is he going to set it for the super kick? No, it's reverse. Logan Price setting up. Call the pack. Call the pack. Is that going to do it for Lumberjack? Cover.
2, 3.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Ring the bell. And the winner of this matchup and advancing to the finals of the 2021 Finish Line Tournament, and for the second consecutive year doing so, the Dark Wolf Logan Price. I'll tell you, I'm just going to let this match speak for itself here, ladies and gentlemen. Great action throughout this match. Lumberjack has absolutely nothing to be ashamed of. The Dark Wolf Logan Price proving that he is the man once again and is going to the finals of this 2021 Finish Line Tournament. There you go.
Ime ie itke. Ize ire ute itke. Ode oem ode championship. I have ilke everyone. I have isve. Ye atke or survive. I ode odke. Ede under
Alright, Backyard Wrestling fans and FBW fans, it is FBW Backyard Wrestling here again on BYWN Explosion. And on this episode of Explosion, we got the Hitman in FBW, Dante Kruger, facing off against the FBW Undisputed Champion, Mr. Rich, $1 Million Chris Dynamite in a non-title bout. Now, this match has came to be after Dante Kruger attacked Chris Dynamite on episode 1 of Explosion when Chris Dynamite was trying to defend his FBW Undisputed title against Anthony Aries, the founder of the BYWN. So FBW owner MJ made this match official for Explosion.
He is the Hitman. Dante Kruger.
Dante Kruger, formerly known as Jay Swervo, as much as he hates to remember his past career in FBW as Jay Swervo, he's only found success as King of the Yard champion. But now he's looking to come back as Dante Kruger and take over FBW. So far, Dante Kruger has only had one match back here in FBW Backyard Wrestling, and that was on FBW Live a couple weeks ago, where he faced Anthony Aries in an exhibition match.
FBW Undisputed Champion, $1 Million Chris Dynamite.
Now, in that exhibition match that I was just talking about, it ended in a draw when both men were knocked out by the end of it. Chris Dynamite still going on as Mr. Rich flaunting his money and his alcoholic beverages, and that he is a very rich man here in FBW. But this is the first time Dante Kruger and Chris Dynamite will be facing off here in FBW. The only time these two men has faced off inside of an FBW ring was back at FBW Genesis 2021, but it was not a one-on-one match. It was a triple threat ladder match involving Anthony Aries also. Chris Dynamite mentioning Dante Kruger's past self as Jay Swervo, and we have seen in the past Dante Kruger does not like it when Jay Swervo is mentioned. Chris Dynamite can be writing his own death sentence, and look, Dante Kruger already attacking Chris Dynamite before the bell. That's what I'm talking about. Every time someone mentions Jay Swervo to Dante Kruger, it triggers something inside of Dante Kruger, and it makes him berserk. Dante Kruger, though, taking it to Chris Dynamite, the reigning, defending champ. Now, if Dante Kruger does defeat Chris Dynamite tonight, you would think that he has earned himself a undisputed title match. So let's see what Dante Kruger can do. But let's not forget that Chris Dynamite, even though he has his cocky, you know, funny persona as Mr. Rich, he can still deliver in the ring. But Dante Kruger trying to choke out Chris Dynamite, but Chris Dynamite getting out of it. Now, if Dante Kruger defeats Chris Dynamite, like I said, he could earn himself an undisputed title. The undisputed title that haunted Jay Swervo back in his early career here in FBW. The title that he wanted but couldn't get. Chris Dynamite taunting.
He's another peasant too.
And talking his mad shit. But Dante Kruger, he's not one you want to take lightly. He has this new persona, he has this new attitude, and he's really taking it to Chris Dynamite now. Them knees and them chops and those uppercuts, Chris Dynamite is down. Dante Kruger did have a good showing against Anthony Aries in that exhibition match. And so far he's having a good showing against the undisputed champ, Chris Dynamite. Just stomping on each body part, making Chris Dynamite feel the pain with this predator-like strategy. Dante Kruger picking up Chris Dynamite. He has that reverse bear hug in. Chris Dynamite was trying to talk about Dynamite Enterprises, but that reverse bear hug was a little too much for Chris Dynamite.
Stronger than I remember.
And those are the Dynamite Bucks that Chris Dynamite has been throwing out. And Dante Kruger still taking it to Chris Dynamite.
Maybe have a hip replaced.
Now he has him in an ankle lock. If Chris Dynamite taps out, we can be seeing a new #1 contender. Chris Dynamite gets out. Now Chris Dynamite, he's still talking as he gets his ass beat in this match or whatever. Now that could be a strategy that can throw off opponents. That can make, you know, his opponents think that they're not really doing much damage. So, you know, you really get confused of how much damage you're actually doing to Chris Dynamite. Chris Dynamite can be really damaged right now, and Dante Kruger can have a hard time finding that out. So you kind of have to think Chris Dynamite's kind of having, you know, a good strategy, you know, acting the way he is as he gets beaten down. But let's see who will win this match. This is the first time ever match, and an elbow right to Chris Dynamite. Chris Dynamite finally falls. And there is the FBW Undisputed title, the title that Chris Dynamite won back at WrestleBash 6, winning a triple threat ladder match in the main event after coming back from a retirement. But Chris Dynamite so far isn't looking too good in this match. It's mostly been Dante Kruger. Like I said, Dante Kruger came back to FBW with another elbow, with a new attitude and a new direction. And could this new attitude and new persona really find some success for Dante Kruger? Well, we're about to find out, because like I keep on saying, if he defeats Chris Dynamite, defeating the man here, he could have earned himself an undisputed title. Now, he's stomping Chris Dynamite's ankle in that chair. Dante Kruger, he is trying to win and get that title, but he's also trying to take out Chris Dynamite. So far, Dante Kruger has not mentioned much really why he attacked Chris Dynamite on episode 1 of BYWN Explosion. I mean, we can assume that he wants the title, but from how he's attacking Chris Dynamite with that chair in his ankle, you kind of have to think that it's kind of personal, because Chris Dynamite did not mention anything of Jay Swervo or Dante Kruger before BYWN Explosion episode 1. But I mean, now that he did earlier in this match, I mean, the beating that Dante Kruger is giving Chris Dynamite definitely is not helping. But Dante Kruger just picked up Chris Dynamite and threw him down.
This your champion?
Dante Kruger belittling Chris Dynamite, claiming that this is really your champion, and a curve stomp. Just jumping and landing a stomp on the back of the head of Chris Dynamite. And now Dante Kruger's putting all the weight onto Chris Dynamite's chest. And Chris Dynamite with a low blow. A dirty but a smart tactic. If Chris Dynamite did not choose to be a little dirty, could have bruised or broken some ribs. Chris Dynamite claiming that Adele, the popular singer, has signed with Dynamite Enterprise Records. The same Dynamite Enterprise Records that he wants Jay Swervo to return and come to. But Dante Kruger does not want anything to do with Jay Swervo. Chris Dynamite walking off with his Undisputed title assist and a jumping uppercut right off the apron. Look at that replay. He just knocked Chris Dynamite silly. Chris Dynamite dazed. I don't even think he knows where he is anymore. And a kick to the back of the leg, taking down Chris Dynamite again. And more kicks. Dante Kruger, a striker, perfecting his strikes. A different style. Oh no, and a spear! And a spear out of nowhere. Chris Dynamite caught Dante Kruger with the spear. Chris Dynamite trying to kick up, but failing. Kick up, see that shit? He may be rich, but he does not have that type of athletic ability. What's Chris Dynamite doing here? And a jumping elbow to Dante Kruger.
Alright. Once again, hits.
And Dante Kruger not letting Chris Dynamite hit that jumping elbow again. And a knee right to the side of the head of Chris Dynamite. Dante Kruger has been focusing on those legs and knees of Chris Dynamite. Think about it, if you take out the legs of Chris Dynamite, he cannot hit that deal breaker, his finishing maneuver. What is this? And an axe handle right, taking down Chris Dynamite. But like I said, the deal breaker, that's Chris Dynamite's finishing move. So Dante Kruger taking out the legs of Chris Dynamite is a very smart move. Dante Kruger definitely has been studying and watching his tapes. Chris Dynamite complaining that he's going after his legs.
All about breaking.
And again, multiple strikes to the legs of Chris Dynamite. And a stunner to Chris Dynamite. And now we've seen this at the FBW exhibition match. The stunner normally comes right before the kill shot. And a kill shot to Chris Dynamite. Chris Dynamite is out cold. That whole stunner and elbow combo, he calls that the kill shot.
He ain't gonna be champion for long.
Dante Kruger claiming that Chris Dynamite won't be champion for long. Could we be seeing a future undisputed champion in Dante Kruger? I mean, he's been having a good showing against Chris Dynamite. And again with that reverse bear hug. And Chris Dynamite with the strike. And a money shot. Chris Dynamite hit Dante Kruger with the money shot, formerly known as the Dragon's Claw. And Dante Kruger is out. It's like picking up dead weight, and it looks like Dante Kruger landed in some sand spurs. And Dante Kruger with a low blow. Both men fighting dirty. You have to admit, sometimes dirty tactics are very smart and can save you from a loss in a match. And Dante Kruger now on the defense, he has to get away from Chris Dynamite, and he gets thrown outside of the ring. Dante Kruger just got thrown outside of the ring. But what is Chris Dynamite setting up for here? And a suicide dive. And a suicide dive to Dante Kruger. Look at that replay. Taken down.
That's a lot.
Dante Kruger.
Sometimes you win it. Sometimes you lose it. Oh,
Chris Dynamite does know how to come back from a beating, but what is this? Dante Kruger, he just popped up. And a running knee. And a running knee, and it looks like Chris Dynamite landed in a field of sand spurs. Yes, sand spurs. They are horrible. They hurt. They get stuck. Look at that. Dante Kruger is pulling off some sand spurs off of him. But those are some Dynamite bucks. He did win the lottery. He's so rich, he made his own form of currency. What is Dante Kruger setting up here? Just dragging Chris Dynamite towards the ring. He's trying to hook him up in the ropes. He's trying to trap Chris Dynamite. And he has Chris Dynamite trapped. What is Dante Kruger planning on here?
what the hell?
You don't want to play around.
He says he doesn't play around. He has
How much I got paid
that
for your career
stick.
again?
Chris Dynamite trying to buy his way out of it.
I come for six.
And he's choking Chris Dynamite.
Oh, let go, let go. Come on,
This is not good.
2,
He's gonna get disqualified.
3, 4. Come on, I'm about
He's
to
about to get disqualified.
Come on,
What is
let him
this?
go. Come on, let's go. Come on. 5. Win the bell.
And Dante
And your winner
Kruger has
via
gotten disqualified.
disqualification. Chris Dynamite.
You think you give a fuck about a winner? Next thing. Told you. There's a warning. I told you. I'm watching. Every move. Every step. Everybody better take notice.
Ready? I'm ready. Ding, ding, let's get it going. And lock up. These two have animosity towards each other, so you know it's about to get real. It's about to get really real. Headlock by JJ. Let's see how far this goes. Oh, drops JJ down on his chest. I don't know, man. He had you in a headlock for a little while. Oh, wait. What's this? Ha! Reverse. Ha! Kick to the leg. Ooh, neck breaker. Dang. A twisted one at that. That could break a person's neck, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't known. Stomp. Oh, shots to the head. Dang. JJ showing that no guard. Oh my God, knee to the back. JJ showing that aggressive side. Stomp to the limb. Wait. Oh, kick to the chest. Oh, talking to him right. Oh, elbow. Let me get over here so you guys can see all this. Stop to the chest. JJ showing favor in that hand. I think that hand might have got hurt in that neck breaker. Never know. Whoa! Ooh. Roll over. Elbow to the back. Headlock. Oh, Brazy not paying attention to that. Brazy not even on it. Brazy like hell to the fuck up. Oh my God! Stop to the shoulder. JJ's definitely going for the head a lot, and throws him into the bush. Ooh, clothesline to the chest. Wait, suplex. Oh my God! Kick up. There it is. And Brazy's up and rolling. Brazy is up and he is moving. Ooh, kick to the chest. Stop. Damn. Them was the ghetto stomp. He ghetto stomped that dude. Oh, is he going for another suplex? I think he might be going for it. Is he gonna connect with this one? Oh, nope. Reverse.
And there it is. Wait, nope. Find it out. Reverse. Ooh, okay. Drops him on his chest. Oh! Spear. Driving Brazy into the slide of the playground. What the hell is this? Oh, headlock. Oh, dropping JJ's face on his knee. Damn, he might be out of it. And then this guy over here. These two men going for it. What's going on here? What's going to happen? Oh, headshot. One. Oh, both men trading blows. Oh, trading blows. Oh, forearm. Wait, rapid shots. God dang. Oh, nope, he tried it. Ooh. Oh, I think he might have dropped JJ on his neck. He might have dropped JJ on the... Yeah, he dropped JJ on the back of his head. Oh, man, JJ got him and walked away. He hurt. Oh, he hurting. He hurt. Brazy looking up. Come on, Nick. Get your ass up. Oh, whoa. What is this? Ah, caught him. Dirty deeds. He just dropped my man's on the whole front of his face. That hurt. That definitely hurt. Wait. Ah, miss. He was going for it. He was going for a shot with it. Oh! Super kick to the leg.
How you laughing?
Kicked his leg out. Oh, caught his leg. Ha! Oh my God! Attitude adjustment. Dropping JJ on his elbow. I think he might be hurt. Brazy fighting. Clothesline. Oh, whoa. Folded JJ inside out. Wow. That was, that was nasty. That was, yeah, pretty bad. Ah, kick to the leg. Trying to take him out by the leg. Ah, kick to the leg again. Well, JJ found his target. He's going for the leg. Oh, super kick to the leg again. Now Brazy's all the way down. Oh, snap. What the hell is this? Oh, my God. Elbow. Wow. Ah, 2 count. Oh, that was killer. Oh, JJ aiming for the hands. Oh, man. Kick to the arm.
You son of a bitch.
Ah, Dragon Sleeper! Oh my God! Wow, this is new. Is Brazy gonna tap out? Is Brazy gonna be out? I don't. Oh, I pray to God he's not out. Oh wait, no. We see some life. And he switched it over to a rare naked. He's done switched it over. Oh, Brazy fighting it out. Brazy fall. There we go. Elbow to the side. Elbow. Another elbow. Oh, kick to the back of the leg. Mainly to the calf area. You know, that calf area can really do some damage. Dang, whoa, hey. Whoa, what the hell? Oh my God. Dang, using the playground to his advantage. Taking out them legs again. And going for the arm now. He's been using that arm a lot lately. He must really be trying to pull somebody's shoulder out. And this man right here, this little guy has a tendency to pull his shoulders out, ladies and gentlemen. Don't let the looks fool you. Oh, God. Oh, God. What the? Oh, God. Wait a minute. Oh. Oh, throw him up there. Wait, what's going on? What's this? Ha! Headshot. Ha! Headshot. Ha! Another one. Oh, my God. No. 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 What is this? Oh, he fights out. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, kick to the leg. Oh, whoa. Oh, my God. This could be bad. Oh! No. Fail!
Drop him on his neck, cuz.
What the? Huh? Back kick! Oh, needed a side of the head! Ripcord! Oh my God! Feet trigger!
Crazy's getting his ass whipped.
This the world champion?
Oh, knee shot. Oh, there it is. Knee shot.
Yeah.
Suplex! Another one by the world champion. JJ saying, this the world champion? Brazy said, hell yeah, I'm the world champion.
What something with the coach champion like that?
Huh? Wait a minute. Oh! Oh, back kick! Oh, wow! Slamming
Damn,
JJ.
Zaddy. I mean,
Slamming JJ on it. Huh. Huh. Wait a minute.
Come
Huh.
on, get him. Get him.
No.
Get
Wait a minute.
him.
What's this?
Whoop, whoop.
Oh my God! Spanish fly! 1, 2. Ah, kick out at 2.
Damn.
Wow, that was the first time JJ's ever pulled off a Spanish fly. And I ain't even gonna lie, that was nice. He might have aired Brazy out with that. That might have just gave JJ the key to victory. That might have just been it. What the hell? What's he going? What's he? No.
Woo. Ooh, I like that.
Wait a minute. Oh my God! Wait, I don't think, no, not a Uranagi. That definitely wasn't a Uranagi. I know a Uranagi. That shit will kill him. But whatever the fuck that was, he just dropped the shit out of Brazy. Look at him. Look at him. This motherfucker laid the fuck out. Look at him. Dead to the world. Oh shit.
Get him.
Alright. Don't be an ass. What's he going for? Oh, elbow.
Damn.
Ah, another elbow. Wait a minute. Oh my God, paradigm shift. Wow. Both these men pulling out some new stuff.
2.
JJ pulling out a Spanish fly.
7.
Brazy pulling out a paradigm shift.
5. 6.
These two men are ready to kill each other.
95. 85. 95.
They both up at
Stop messing up my count.
Oh shit. Wait. Ha! Whoa, what the hell? What the? Ah.
I said it was an accident.
Oh wait, throwing him. Oh! He shook him!
Knock that boy out his shield.
Not the shoes.
Hey, didn't that happen to Crazy at Beach Blast?
Right. Oh, kick to the chest.
You shoeless bitches.
Oh, elbow. And oh, belly to back breaker. Wow. They are pulling out all the stops today. Oh, let's see how this go. What's next? Ha! No. Oh, back. Wait. Ooh. Rolling him. Flipped him. What's Brazy got in store? Ha! He's got him up. Shoulder. Oh my God! Another. Oh man. He trying to open up his eyes and shit. That motherfucker over there hurt because of his elbow. We don't know what the fuck going on with these niggas. Well, these people, these guys, whatever you want to call them. Look at him. Look at them eyes. Look at him. Look at him. Berserk. Crazy. Look at this man. Hurting. 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 They hurt. Oh! Oh! Wow! Was that a black? Wow! Back kick. And that looked like it was dead. Oh no. No. Pedigree! Oh, look at you! Look at you! Ah, he tried it. He tried it. Oh, damn. Alright, going for that leg again.
Damn, not the leg, though. Hey, go high flying, cuz.
This man have been going at it for 15 minutes. What the hell? Oh. Ooh. 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 That was the... Oh, man, there it is. Hold up. Hold up. I don't. Can he continue? Oh, tip. He did not just kick that nigga like that and try to tip him like, nigga.
I got hit my nuts before.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're back. Both men are up. Ah, trading blues. Ah, trading blues. Ha. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there it is.
They're exchanging blows. You got Brent and Becky on top of
There it is. Oh, they going at it. They going at it. Dang. That got rowdy. Too rowdy. Ha! Forearm. Oh, another forearm.
I'm sorry, but that is just like so distracting.
Not JJ Big Boy in them though. Ooh, there it is. What the hell? Whoa. Not him throwing JJ across like that though.
They're like both guys out of breath.
Oh, dang.
Ooh,
Boot to the side of the head.
Head, right? Head.
Ha, 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 ha.
Drop.
Ha, no. Ooh.
Damn.
The way he popped back up though.
Well, all his breath is taken.
He popped back up like a dead zombie. What you going for? Ha!
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Eh.
Yeah, I think he was going for something. Oh, dang! Not the elbow.
Legs.
Not the elbow to the back of the head though.
Finish her. Finish her. Come on.
Finish him.
Ah! You thought?
He flips.
You thought?
There it is. Fireman's carry.
Oh, I like how that body spin though. He said, swerve. Swerve. How many did you stop?
Oh,
That nigga said, 25 on the pothole. He like, I'm curving bitches.
I can't right now.
Curve.
Stop. You know what? Ladies and gentlemen, my partner's having such a fun time right now. Is he dancing with this nigga?
You know
I'm about to say, your name ain't Bray Wyatt. Stop dancing with this nigga.
It was a puppet show.
Ooh, Judas effect. Judas effect. Nice.
Oh, God, right on the German. Oh.
Not you swinging him, though. Ha. Ha. 2 count.
I'll kick out at 2.
19. Damn, it's so short. Right. That's what I said.
Come on, guys.
Oh, shit. Not the stump, damn.
Oh, he's something like he was drinking.
Word.
I know that's what we're going to
Ha!
do when we get out of here.
No.
Oh, he picking that boy up.
Wait, nope,
Elbow, elbow,
nope, there it is.
elbow.
He went elbow to the face.
Ha! He frightened it. Forced it.
All
He said, "Now
balls.
you."
Slam his big ass.
Ha! Back into the
He
slide.
said slide to the back.
He said, "Bring it on back." Ha! Kick. DDT.
Ooh, I know
20.
my head on fire.
I bet these two men are exhausted,
Woo.
trying to figure out who's gonna pick up this victory here.
Oh. Fighting in this sound, of course they'll be exhausted.
Word.
8, 9. What's he going for? What is he going for?
Oh, there's flying clothesline. Well, medium flying clothesline, because that wasn't really too high, but yeah.
He's not a high flyer, he's a low flyer.
Ha! What? 2! Oh, 3! There it is! Wait. Oh, that was a 2? Oh, that was a 2. Oh, never mind. Lucky bastard. Oh, no. 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 Is this it? Oh, brain dead! That's JJ's patented finisher. The brain deader. That's it. Is it? Is it? That's it. That is it, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo!
That is it, ladies and gentlemen. JJ scoring with the brain dead.
Woo!
Crazy's hurt.
You still suck, but yeah!
Tell him. Alright. That was a good match, ladies and gentlemen. We saw. Oh! He's stopping him out! He's stopping him out! He's stopping him out!
Yeah!
Ah! Oh.